Hello dear students, welcome to Vision Pharmacy. In our today's video, we are going to see some packaging symbols. So before we start with our today's video, please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting updates on upcoming videos. Many a times we come across the various signs and symbols on packaging material or packaging boxes. However, we are not aware that what those signs are indicating. Therefore, in this video we will try to explain what those respective signs indicate. So let's begin. The first is handle with care. So whenever you come across this sign, it means package needs to be handled with care. Okay. Then the second sign is of thermometer. So thermometer, that it indicates that store the product at whatever the specified temperature. Okay. So it indicates the storage temperature of the respective product. The next sign is of the fragile. So this is the sign which indicate the product is fragile, that is commodity inside is fragile and can be damaged. Therefore, it needs to be handled with care or it should not be dropped. Okay. Then moving to the next symbol. The next symbol is like keep away from heat. Okay. So if ever you come across this respective sign, it indicates the package contents should be not exposed to the sun or any other source of heat. The box should also be stored inside and away from the elements. Okay. Then moving to the next symbol. The next symbol is about do not step. As you can see in the image, it is do not step on the package. The box is not strong enough to hold your weight. Okay. Therefore, this sign indicates that you are not supposed to step on that respective package. Moving to the next one. Do not roll. Do not transport or move the package by rolling. This is what this respective sign indicates. Okay. Moving to the next one. The next symbol is of umbrella. Whenever you come across this respective sign or symbol, it indicates that keep box in dry and well ventilated place and keep it away from rain and damp area. Okay. Then the next symbol is this way up. This is also sometimes written as this side up. Okay. So the arrow points to the top of the package, explaining that the package must be oriented in such a way that arrows should be pointing up. Okay. So it should be towards the upper side. So this is how you are supposed to store that respective package. Then moving to the next sign, that is product durability. This sign indicates the time until which the product is good for use. Okay. Then moving to the next symbols. The next symbol related to handling. The first one is do not use hand hook and it is indicated in this way. This sign indicates that no hook may be used to handle the package. Then the another sign is regarding do not use blade. Okay. So here no blade or knife may be used to open the package. And the next one is regarding no hand trucks. This sign indicates that no hand truck must be used or in order to handle package. Okay. Moving to the next some symbols. So these symbols are information to customer. The first one is of warning. Okay. So this is an awareness sign usually used to warn about allergies. Then the next symbol for customer is more information. So more information about product is in the package. So this is what it means. The next symbol is regarding vegetarian. Okay. So this symbol indicates that product inside is suitable for vegetarians. And the last symbol in this is consumer satisfaction. If you come across this sign, it means that if consumer is not happy, he may return the product. Okay. Moving to the further slide. This is regarding recycling. The first one is the green dot. This sign indicates that the manufacturer contributes to the recycling of the packages. Then The next one is eco-label. So eco-label, it is used by the manufacturers of environmentally friendly products. Okay. Then the next one is a symbol of TD man. Many times you would have seen this respective symbol. So this symbol means dispose the item in appropriate manner. Okay. The next recycling symbol is Mobius loop. So this is how it is indicated. So it is international symbol for recycling. Then the next symbol is WEEE symbol, and it is like this. So it means that packaging contains electronic product. Okay. Then the next one is glass, recycled glass. So this symbol is indicated in this way, and the last symbol in this is recyclable aluminum, and it is indicated in the way shown here. So that's all in this video, students. Thank you. I hope you have understood the meaning of the various symbols related to handling, consumer and recycling. Thank you.